remember when we went to Eastgate Mall to get the chinos for my husband? Well, Mr. Here, I call him this year. Uyaziqulula. That's why I've been saying to him this year. So he bought himself chinos. Is this new? No, not this one. He bought himself these chinos today. So yeah, finally Shem, they have stock, because when we went to Eastgate they actually checked for us a Santon and none of them had the stock for the chinos that we want. So Shem, we got his chinos. So I also went back to Take a Lot because I saw that they had a special. So I want to show you what I got from Take a Lot again. Molweni, igama lam ndinguThulisile Kulweni. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome, 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 and welcome. And if you're my day one, welcome back, my loves. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. Anyways, so this is the start of a new vlog. I'm squeezing my life, my money out of this Elizabeth Arden, because I always come on here with ashy lips, but we're about to change that, right? Don't know, I feel so dry. Baby, ngicela ube nendibelanda pink esa spray.
Ah, ngikugqitha.
Hayibo baby, nasi emva kwakho.
Ngicela ugqitha sa baby ta. Yeah, ndithini bendihlala ngaphandle.
Hlula Aw. Hlula baby.
Kanti ngibe kanjani? Ay, Thulisi. Hey!
Hayibo Christina, sifike nini bona?
Baby, kana khona sakudlala indaba ngo.
Let's just watch it, Christine, because it's lava. Guys, I went to Take a Look and then I saw that they had a special again, and as you guys saw, my Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream. Why is it focusing on me this thing? Okay, my 8-hour cream iphelile. So I went to Take a Look and I bought. So that is my one packet. I'm thinking about Take a Look. I'm thinking about Take a Look. They will pack your things. So I bought the Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream, and I bought it in this one. This is the one that is slightly fragranced. That's the one I got. Because Lena ipeyiye sana, just squeezing my life out of it. I'm watching a vlog of Christina. That's what I bought. And then because I have another package from Take a Look, and because they also had, they still had a good special on this, so I went ahead and I bought this too again, because I don't think that you could have enough sunscreen. Can I support this as well? So yeah, this is the vlog. I think that I want to go and I feel like the minute I started flossing my teeth, the imperfections is how they started to show. Basically, all the videos that are coming next are gonna be about so yeah, I think that's all I will be focusing on. Like, obviously I need to prepare, get ready for traveling to the Eastern Cape. I also need to take out my nails. As you can see, these two zipumile. This one is still intact even though the bow fell out. I want to take them out. I don't know, maybe tomorrow I will. That is gonna be the vlog. It's gonna be life in my 30s. This is gonna be the vlog, and yeah, see you when I pick up this camera again. Here I was showing you guys that I took out my nails, and unfortunately I had to cut my nails because they broke. And I cooked the most delicious meal for my man, and I dish him for his lunch. We for VW PG glass. Albertini VW between. I don't know, babe. I've never had a car.
No, you know
Okay. Hey, loves. So, in preparation for Eastern Cape, I got my delivery. Let's open Shein unboxing. The first item from my Shein order are these shoes. This is in preparation for umsebenzi ka December. You guys know the drill. Second thing is from this brand, from Shein. Let me know if you guys are interested in the items that I got, so that I can put them in the description box. So this is this brand that is on Shein. Look at that. I have a voucher. I get 20% off if I buy from them again. So it is this, feels so good. It is this robe that I bought. It feels like cotton because I'm going as Lalini, and I don't think I showed you guys, but I didn't have pajamas then. All my pajamas are like short, or if they're not short, they're like winter pajamas. So this is what I got. Oh, it feels like a luxury. The elasticity on it, like, oh, amazing. It has a belt on it. That's the second item. Third item from the same brand. Like the packaging, sweetie. Okay. I also have another voucher, and this one is if is for when I spend $100 on their brand, and this one is if I spend 250. No, it's the same thing actually. So they gave me 2 vouchers. So I bought this dusty pink. I think it's called dusty pink. Trying to look for my phone so that I can show you guys maybe from their website. So these are the shoes I bought. Those are the shoes I showed you already. This is the gown that I bought. That's the gown. Yeah, that's the gown. And then yeah, it is, the color is called dusty pink. So these are the pajamas. It's a set that I bought. Those are the pajamas. Also feels amazing. I love that they have pockets, like perfect for summer, and they probably are perfect for winter too. Same elasticity. Those are the bottoms, and then this is the top. This is the top, and I think that I got, like, I bought them for a size large, and also the gown is a size large. So that is our 4th item. I bought these for my phone. They are 3 of them. Bought these for my phone. There's a brown one, there's a black one, and then there is this color nude one, I think, like that. Yep. And if you want to look at them on the website, it's these ones. Because the last time I bought at Shein, I bought them, but I don't know what happened, but the color was like the size, I got the size wrong, so I'm hoping that's the correct size. And then this has been sitting on my Shein order for so long. I think when I first bought at Shein, this was there. So I finally bought it. So it is a dress that I am planning. Oh, I thought the material was actually cotton. It's not cotton, but I'm not mad at it. You know, I bought this dress. It's like a wraparound kind of dress, and I bought this. I have an event that I'm attending. So this is the color. This is it on their website. It's called coffee brown, I think. Yeah, coffee brown. I'm gonna try it on, then we'll see. I really did not believe this, but it looks like it's legit. I also got these. These are the Real Technique sponges. And this is them on the sides. That's them there. So yeah, because my one that I bought at Clicks, it was 1, and it was it was so expensive. So I have 4 at a cheaper price. I think this was cheaper than when you buy just one. Okay, so the dress is there. That's that. Those are the shoes. What is this? Oh, I also bought underwears from this brand. Don't know if you guys can see that, but I bought that. Like, they look like they're gonna be lax also. Yeah, they feel lax, but I'm not gonna show you my underwears, but these are the colors I got. So that's that. I love the packaging. You can actually keep these things for, I feel like when you are like packing your clothes, maybe you can also put your undies there. And what is here? Oh, let me show you from this, because I didn't show you guys these are the colors I bought. Oh, and then there's this. This is gonna be perfect. Oh, this is the part that annoys me about these things. It rolls up and stuff, but hopefully this one won't. So I bought that. This is what I bought for under my dress. And what is this? Oh, I forgot about this. I bought this packet. I don't know how many pieces I have. Maybe about 30 to 60 something. It is, I think it's earrings, necklaces, bracelets, studs, hoops and stuff. So that's what I bought. Like gold earrings and things. They are all gold. I'll show you now. Keep my vouchers. I always keep these. I don't know, but I never use them when I pack. I should remember this time when I pack. I must use them when I pack. I should remember. So these are the earrings. These. Then we have, I think these are rings. These are rings and things. And these are necklaces. Oh, I thought they were bangles. Doesn't look like they are like bracelets and things. More stuff. Love these. Love these. Then there's also these. There are no bangles in this one that I picked, looks like. But anyways, that's what I got. Yes, I want to show you the star of the show, but because this is more like a prep towards that, I think I want you guys to see this dress when I am wearing it for the ceremony. So there is a dress here, and you'll probably see it on the vlog, because that's the whole point why I bought it Shein. The dress looks like, I'm gonna try this on and see how it fits. on me, see how it fits on me, and then you guys will see in the next vlog, because this one is just gonna be preparing to go to the Eastern Cape. So yeah, that's what I have for you today. I don't know, maybe I should try the dress. I'm gonna be flashing the nation, but this is the dress. I love it so much. I love it, Sana. I love the dress so much. That will work, but that's the dress. Also, like, so that is the gown and the pyjama. I love this. I love it. But that's my situation.
The next day. One eternity
Hi
later.
loves. So I am back from work and I'm so tired. I want to take off my hair. So I'm gonna take off this hair now because Sana needs to go. It needs to go. It really needs to go. So I'm gonna take off my hair. Once I take off my hair, I'm gonna wash my hair, do a treatment, but I'm gonna do all of that off camera. I'm in a vlog, but I'm gonna start another vlog. So basically I'm juggling 2 vlogs at the same time, and I think by I think I want to upload the first video on the 20th, and then I want to upload I think the one that I'm gonna start sometime this week. No, not this week, because it's already Friday tomorrow. I want to upload it sometime next week, beginning of the week. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's take off this hair, wash and do a treatment, and you know, yeah, today is Thursday the 12th of December. Tomorrow is Friday the 13th. So yeah, let's do that. I also have a package that I wanna unbox with you, so let's first do the unpacking of the packaging, you know. So let me go get the package, you know. Also, into Tamsumlomo wami, it has officially ran out. So like it's gone. It's literally a gone girl. Like, it's gone. I'm gonna start using my new one from tomorrow. But we have the package. I actually don't think I should show you guys, because why? It's something that I'm gonna be wearing for lamsebenzi wasekhaya, because I didn't show you guys the dress. I don't mind showing you guys the shoes and the jewelry that I'm gonna pair that with, but this is gonna be another statement for my outfit. So yeah, but I'll give you guys a hint of what is it exactly I bought. Ooh, it's giving it away. It's giving it away. So yeah, you guys will see in the vlog yomsebenzi okhula, right? Tomorrow is Friday, like I said, the 13th. Excuse the noise, the kids are so loud. I am so over rents her. But anyways, are having a secret Santa at work. We're having secret Santa at work tomorrow, and tomorrow I am knocking off early at work because of the next vlog. No, this, when you guys see this vlog, that vlog will be up already, because I'm planning to upload that vlog either on Sunday or Monday. So by the time you see this vlog, you would have seen the vlog that I'm gonna start after this one. I'm gonna start within this one, but it's not gonna show in this one. I hope I'm making sense. But anyways, that's what I'm gonna do. I am going to try this on and see if it fits perfectly, and yeah.
The next day. The next day.
Good evening, my loves. So I just wanted to come here and say that I do apologize for yesterday. I don't think that I actually updated you guys as to what happened, but I came back home because I went to the YouTube Future Insiders, and we had a beautiful event, and you guys would have seen by now, because that video, I'm currently uploading it right now as we're speaking, and I'm just waiting for it to upload. I've been trying to upload it on directly to my YouTube studios, or rather YouTube studio, and it's just not working. So I'm just gonna upload it directly to YouTube as I always do. I just wanted to try the uploading from YouTube studio, but it's not working. So I took out my hair yesterday, did a treatment, washed them, and all that works. Went to the event, had a beautiful day, and came back home. Today I didn't do much, just washed dishes, tried to clean the kitchen, but I didn't do a lot. Honestly, I am so exhausted. I just want to rest because luckily I'm not going to work on Monday because it's public holiday. It's the 16th of December, so I'm gonna rest. I'm gonna have an extra day to rest, so I intend to rest this whole week because we are traveling on Friday the 20th of December, and we'll get Islalininge 21. We are traveling straight to Mthatha, and then from Mthatha we are probably gonna freshen up and go Islali. But you will see all that in the travel vlog when we're traveling to the Eastern Cape. And yeah, I don't know if I'm still gonna do anything on this vlog. It's not gonna be a lot though, because I am busy like gradually editing this vlog right now, and because I don't want to be overwhelmed, because I want to upload it on the 20th, on the day that we are living, and start a new one, right? So yeah, that's where we are at. Tomorrow we are going to the airport. We are also going to Jamestown because brother, that's what we are doing. Airport, pick up his bag because he left his bag, and then we are going to my aunt's place. There's stuff that we need to pick up there, like a pot, and with other things that I bought to prepare for Islalini, like imiqamelo and stuff. And then we are also going to go and get amaphinifa wam. I had the lady that designed that designed my makoti attires the first time, designed me amaphinifa, so I'm excited for that. I can't wait to see what she has done for amaphinifa wam. So that's what we are doing tomorrow, and then but yeah, you guys, we will figure it out together. So for now, good night. I am going to bed. I just want to rest. I even told my husband, I'm like, baby, I didn't cook, please get us bread. I'm not about to cook. I'm so tired, guys. I shall see you tomorrow.
The next day.
Where's the WhatsApp? Hello. Hi, Sisunjani. Yaphile Nkosi. Sithethe noBujoni wasinikeza inamba yakho sisendleleni sidlule semntuli.
Okay, I'll come. Like 1 minute.
Good afternoon, loves. We are on our way. Well, we're going somewhere quickly, and then we are gonna. What are we gonna do after, baby? Are we going to a Jimiston, or we're going later at Jimiston now? Okay, and then after this, we are going to Jimiston, and then we are going to the airport or Tambo, and then we are going to a back station, and then we are going to Soweto. So we have a lot of errands to run today. This was a last minute errand, but we're gonna have to do it and then see how that goes. Then we're gonna quickly go to Jimiston, and then yeah. So I am all dressed up, ready to go. I have my Shein shades. So we'll probably see you when we are at the airport. We are there to pick up somebody and drop them off in Johannesburg CBD, and then we go about our day to Soweto. So yeah.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
So we are coming back from Soweto. Good evening, my loves. We are back. We traveled so much. We traveled so much. We did so much of traveling today. But we are back. I want to show you guys a few things that I got in preparation for umsebenzi. Because this vlog is literally preparing to go as Lalini, and it's gonna also incorporate a little bit of what I bought for in preparation of umsebenzi. And then Andifika is Lalini, it's gonna be the travel vlog. It will probably also incorporate what I also bought that is already is Lalini to prepare for umsebenzi. So there's gonna be a lot of preparation, you know. So first and foremost, I got these my aunt got for me in town. There's 4 of them. There is 2 in each, because sana danele kulala kanje esilaleni whenever sibanitsi, and then imiqamelo ifew. So I think this is gonna really come in handy. And yeah, I just wanted to open one and see something. I want to see if the thing that is on it is actually a cover, or it's the actual, you know, thing for the pillowcase or whatever. Oh, it's the actual amen. I think I'm gonna be able to put this back. I feel like it's gonna be decent for Mqamelo says Lalin. Yeah, I wanted to see this if you can unzip it. It is the actual Mqamelo. It's not bad. I mean it's not memory foam or contour foam, but it shall do the work. unomsebenzi kuthiwe hayi abantwana babangabi abanamiqamelo bazuqamela abantwana baqiqamela abantu abadala. So we're trying to minimize that. So that's what I bought. I bought 4 of them. Well, my aunt helps me buy them. Like my aunt Shem, she is such a darling. She also got these. These I bought a while back. She even sent some of this stuff to the Eastern Cape. And yeah, you will never go wrong. Ijagi yokamanzi, ijagi for incwadi. Ayilana ijagi imdaka. Iya yagcwala incwadi. Don. Especially for ukamanzi, they're gonna come in handy. And then what are these? And I think Shem forgot, or we didn't have enough money, because I had asked her to also see if we sing Aitenga in if I do. Yes, when as I do, because the orange, the blue, the yellow, the green, those come very handy. Is lalin ungatengi is swap is zamanyan is a figure the right for niggas are big food, you know. So she bought I'm a boss. I'm a bozo. I hope they're gonna be I'm a bozo. I'm curly enough. Cabbage, you know. Spinach. It is cold. It is so she has bought 4 of these. Oh, listen. Come to Zoti akananto yophaka. Akekho umuntu ozathi akananto yophaka. The only thing I don't like about these or lawe wood is they stain. Like they carry tend to stain them. But you know what? These will do for now. Is stainless steel sawusithenga ngenye imini. Okay? Sawusithenga ngesinye imini. Like akho umuntu ozothi hayi akananto yophaka yena akazi mama akaphaki ngakuni amangaka kalosana. There's so many of them. She bought enough. So that's that. Perfect. This is perfection, this one. Love her. And then these are gonna come in handy as well. What is this? Fitted sheet early, and it's for a double bed. I have a double bed mostly. Another one, different color, same thing, different color. Yeah, I think these are all fitted sheets. And then there's this. Yeah, these are all fitted sheets. So abantu bandlalele balale. Oh, the only reason is probably because she's still not sure if she's traveling there, and also because of the otherwise it is a if push to shove. But yeah, that's what we got. And then the most exciting part about Yongele, but the most exciting part is this part. Oh guys, I am going to try this on for you, and they're not ready, but besides that, they're definitely not gonna watch this vlog on time because the network is a problem. So I'm gonna try this on for you, just for you, my loves. There's literally no space. There's no space anymore. I want you guys to see me in Bonegap. Why? I don't want to show my man. Like, full guys, even this box has things that are going as laleli. So, Jay, it's a lot. But I'm gonna try these for you. I think I wanna turn this like this. I think Amen is watching soccer. Yeah, I think that's better. Just put this in now. Oh, this is my way, Lily. Oh, God bless that sissy. I almost said that child. God bless her. Isandla sakhe, guys. Stunning. Isandla sakhe. She did this for me. I will put a picture here of what I asked her to do for me. And then this is what she did. Sana, wait until I put this on. Oh my goodness. And this color on my melanin. Never tell me anything. You will never tell me nothing. In a way, son. I don't know what is called this as lalin, is it? I'm gonna ask my sister. But what is this called? Oh, Tina Sibiza, because I think leto epinifa is, I think and it's not. As I said, I'm joking. The look my husband gave me. I'm joking, guys. But Sana, this is what she did for me. I'm gonna try and lower this. Hopefully it's gonna come back up. But like, I love the finishes. They are stunning. It doesn't pin and tungi say anytime soon, baby. No matter to soon, but like early pinning and getting my banana coating bam, like, yeah, features down, which I love. I'll have to forgive me for that. If you feel it down, okay? Like, let me show you. Is that baby? Does it? This is. I think I may have. I think I can just tie it here. I think I didn't really. These are perfect, but I wish they were here, like on my sides. But I understand. No, I don't. I'm not lying. But they are very much to the front. And I wish they were more on my hips, like here. Yeah. But yeah, I may have lost some weight. Maybe that's why it's no longer. Because she used measurements from Kudala, which myself.
We talk on the phone
Because my ring light.
every night.
Izaba buhlungu kakhulu babe xa ndiyeka le nto. Iba buhlungu baba.
No?
Ewe.
Is that
You should know
what's that?
you've been gone for way too long now.
How stunning is this pink?
Down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe.
Also like that. It is.
I will see you soon.
Get this more. Get this more. Get me. Stunning, stunning. It also comes with a duke.
All I know, what I need, that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember you. All I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
First Gabangelo.
When nothing really matters,
Love it.
that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Like she understands
If I could
the
lay
assignment.
down beside you,
Also the pockets are a bit to the front, but I understand because I think I lost weight. Like the last time when she did things for me, and because I didn't go back for new measurements, I was like, please use the old measurements because Sana, I am not coming. You know? What do you think, baby?
Stunning, babe. Yeah, when I shoot it, should be a
Ne? If bendisegula weight, bezizawuthi. Yabo?
much to do.
Bezawuthi kanje, bezawuhlala exactly where I want it to. But because I've lost a little bit of weight, I am not complaining though. Love these so much. Love them. Yes, son.
It's been way too long. If I could lay
That's what I wanted to show you guys. So, the next time will probably be me doing my hair, and I'm not gonna do my nails. Instead, I'm gonna cut my nails shorter, like this short, because this broke. So I'm gonna cut them that short. I'm not doing my nails. I probably will do my pedi. I'm gonna do my toes basically. So
talk on the phone.
oh, I love these so much. I will also show you guys a picture of this one right here.
And I know that you're right, but you should know it.
So good night for now, and I shall see you.
If I could lay down
I think when I do my hair, just a little quick update for today. We went to somewhere. We went to Edgemiston to pick up my nephew's bag, and then we went to OR to pick up someone who was traveling from Cape Town and to here. Then we went to Soweto to pick up these, and then we went to my aunt's place as well, still in Soweto, and to pick up those things that I showed you, like in the Kamelo and stuff. And now we are back home. Gonna sleep. I did manage to clean the house, so I think tomorrow I wanna clean it pretty and rest, because as soon as it's very close for us to leave. So yeah, good night. Tell me, which color do you like the most, this pink or the orange? I'll go first. I think that the orange pops better in my color, like in my melanin, but this is also not bad.
The next day.
16 December, and I'm coming to the gym. Yo, I'm so tired. Yeah. But good morning, my loves. Let's go home. Let's go home, my dears. There's a car behind me. And let's go home, baby. Oh, so tired. Oh, child.
The next day.
Redeem this voucher right now. All I want to say is that your dreams are valid, and thank you so much to my friend for getting everybody to subscribe to my channel and for us to reach 2,000 subscribers. Oh my God, princess, you know who you are. Thank you so much, my dear, and thank you to everybody that pulled through. I really appreciate you guys so much. Even if you opened another account and then made sure that you are subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys very much. Like, thank you, my loves. We did this. And then I wanted to share snippets of what I was sent from the YouTube Black event. I think this is such a beautiful concept when you go to an event and they send you this, and you get to see all the pictures that were taken by the photographer, you know. So this is all your faves in one video. Enjoy.
The next day.
Good morning, my loves. I am at work. I'm just making coffee. So I did my hair yesterday. Well, not yesterday, today. Yo guys, I slept around 2. I got home around 1:25 this morning to do my hair. I did my nails as well. I did my toenails. I'll probably put a picture. What do I want to do? I will show you my hair in the next video, which is the travel vlog. So let's catch up on the next video. Hi loves, we are going to Balfour Mall. We are going to do Amazinga. Yeah, I these are my teeth. I had this stain here. These are my teeth up close. I want to see the difference when I'm done. But yeah, we are going to Balfour Mall to go to clean our teeth. Hopefully that's not going to take too long. And then, yeah, I did my hair and I said that I will show you guys the hairstyle in the next vlog. So this is like a glimpse. This is the glimpse of the hairstyle that I have, but I'll show you the actual style in the next vlog, which is going to be the traveling vlog. I am going to edit this now and hopefully be able to upload it either today or tomorrow, because like I said, I have been gradually editing it. So right now there's like a few things that I need to tweak and stuff, but yeah, that's basically it. Like I said, I am not going to do my nails like my mani. I did my pedi. You will also see it in the next vlog, the traveling vlog. So yeah, my loves, thank you so much. We have reached a milestone in our channel. We are 2,000, all 2,000 of you. Thank you so much. 2,000 and 12 as of right now. So thank you so much for choosing to stay, for choosing to subscribe. Thank you for 2024. We've had a great run. Even if I say so myself, thank you so much, my loves. I love you guys so much. I am nothing without you. Literally ndiliphara ngaphandle kwenu. So enkosi kakhulu. Baby ndiyayazi indlela mos. It's still going straight. So ndiliphara ngaphandle kwenu. So I love you guys and I will see you in the next video. Turn right. Then at the roundabout. No? Open on and color going now.
I color one.
You want me to take out my cap?
Yes, you can. When you start flossing, and it shouldn't, because when you floss, it actually go inside these.
It started showing when I started flossing because I didn't floss, and then when I started flossing and then I don't know what this thing is. You see this? I don't know now. Is it here or the side?
Yeah, this side.
Yeah.
So are you somebody who drinks coffee?
I do. Coffee a lot.
Yeah. It's a coffee addict. It's a coffee.
I'm not.
So yeah, that's coffee does it stains your teeth.
But then and then here, what are the stains here? You see my teeth are not as high here. Those ones here. They're not as high as my front one. I don't know if you can see that.
So okay, I see. So the front teeth, so it's a matter of, it's just a layer of enamel.
Okay.
So the front one,
I am done. Just too sensitive to the ear though, but go to the bathroom. So I am done cleaning my teeth. Still very much sensitive to the ear, but I'm done. I'm just gonna go and get a few things. I wanna go to Pep and I wanna go to Pep, get a tissue oil. I wanna go to Clicks, get a spray for my hair from Dark and Lovely. And then I want to go to, I don't know if there's Pick and Pay or Checkers or ShopRite. I want to get a few things, and then I want to get water as well, chips, like something to snack on the way. So yeah. And Christmas all around.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake.
So I just picked up my Secret Santa gift because immediately when I received that voucher, I actually did order on Take Alert. So let's go home, and yeah, this vlog ends right here. It ends here. I'm gonna start a new one because we need to pack in this car. The minute I get home, I need to pack and be ready, you know. So yeah, thank you so much for watching until this far. I shall see you in the next video.